message for the following county, Summit County, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for
Oh my gosh.
Summit County until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Tornado
Time.
warning for our county.
5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Boberton, or 9 miles south of Akron, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Margaret, Portage Lakes, Green, and Lake Moore.
Urgent weather.